Now next we will see the students. The next one is given that it is given in a less than type frequency distribution. It is given as previously we have seen the mean that less than type, whenever it is given we should be confirmed that whether it is coming in ascending order, it means it is given as a form of a CF. So we don't have to convert into the CF by finding the median, right? So for that one we will see it here, it is given in ascending order, that we can check it here, that 4, 11, 29, 40, 46, 51. So they have not mentioned here as a Fi, but here if you can see it here, this is our known as a CF, but we required a frequency. So we will find out here a frequency by subtracting from preceding to the succeeding one number. So we will get here a frequency, because for finding a median we required a F. So we can see it here. First we will get a 4, then we can subtract it, 11 minus 4, that is a 7, then 29 minus 11, that is coming a 18, that 40 minus 29, that is coming a 11, that 46 minus 40, it is coming a 6, and 51 minus 46, it is coming a 5. So this is our frequency it is given. Now it is given a less than type, and in between if we can see the class interval, the difference is 5 5. So we can confirm it that whatever the lower limit of the first one, if we will get it here, that class interval we can write down it, we will mention it, we will write down here that 135 to 140, then 140 to 145, then 145 to 150, then 150 to 155, then 155 to 160, then 160 to 165. And we can confirm here a frequency, that if we want to find out the n, so we can check it here, that 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 18 29, 30, 40, 46, and 5 51. So we can see it here, this last 51 n, and here whatever CF it is given, that is a same. So our total and what we have find out a frequency, that is a right one. Now for this one what we will do it again. So we will just write down all the initials here. First I will write down here n by 2, that is my 51 upon 2 equals to, it will come a 25.5. As we can see it here, 25.5, the nearest one of CF is 29, right? So our 29, if we can see it CF, because our class interval we have written as a right side, so we can go through the right side. If we can see it here, the lower limit we are getting here, this is our median class, and lower limit is 145. So L is our 145, and preceding of a median class, that is our CF. So preceding of the median class, if you can see 29, the preceding one is 11, so our CF is 11, and in front of that one whatever we are getting as a median class, in front of that one whatever we are getting a frequency, that is our F, right? And whatever the last one it is remaining, that is our H. So we can see it here 145, so 150 minus 145, that we are getting here a 5, because they are of a equal class interval, so we are writing H equals to 5. Now we will keep it in this formula, so we will get the answer here. So by keeping in the formula, as we are knowing, every time you will write down a formula, so we'll remember it very easily. So median equals to, we can see it here, we can write down L plus, we will write down it n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So we will write down here the form. What is our L? Lower limit of the median class, that is our 145, plus n by 2 when it is asked. So we can see here n by 2 is 25.5, minus CF, we can see it here, it is given here 11, because we have written an initial, so we will make it easy to write down it, and down it is given a F, that is our 18, and our H is the difference of the class interval, upper class limit and lower class limit, that is our 5. So here we have written a 5. Now we will simplify by taking it 145 plus 25.5 minus 11. If we can subtract here, we will get a 14.5. So here we will write down 14.5 upon 18 into 5. We have to simplify by our own. If we can simplify it here by taking it 145 and removing the decimal, we will write down here 145 upon 10 into 18 into 5. If we have 5 2s are 10, if we have 18 2s are 36, we can divide it 145 plus 145 upon 36. If you can see it here, or by your convenient way you can see it here by dividing by your convenient way also you can find out it. If I can divide it here by taking here a number, that 145 divide by 36, 36 3s are 108, 36 4s are, we can see it here, we will get it here 36 into 4 124, and 36 5s are, it will be greater one. So 36 4s are, we will write down 124, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, sorry, 36 4s are 144, so we will write down here a 1, and that is a 4 6 are 24, 4 3s are 12, and 2 14. So here it will come a 144, so it is coming a 1, then we will put a 0 and 0, 4 2s are 36, it is not divisible, so again it will put a 0 up to one decimal only we will write down it. If we can write down the more one, then also it will work, but we are writing a approx value, we are getting here 145 plus, we will write down 4. So here 145 plus 4, it is coming a 149. So this is our answer, and this is known as a median of our given data. And we will check it here, 149 is coming between 145 and 150. So this is our median class, and it is coming in between this median class. So it means our answer, whatever we are getting, that is a right.